Today we're diving into some delicious plant-based recipes that are perfect for May. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just looking to try something new, these meatless and easy recipes are sure to delight your taste buds. May is such a beautiful month, full of sunshine and fresh flavors, and we're going to capture that energy right here in our kitchen. We're talking vibrant veggies, hearty beans, and all the good stuff that makes you feel good from the inside out. So if you're ready to treat your body like the temple it is, grab your aprons and let's get cooking up some love. First up, we're going to spice things up with some vegan tacos. Now don't let the word vegan fool you. These tacos are bursting with flavor. We're talking seasoned lentils and walnuts, all crumbly and delicious, tucked into warm tortillas and topped with all your favorites. Think fresh cilantro, diced onions, juicy tomatoes, and a dollop of creamy avocado. And listen, don't forget the lime wedges, honey. A squeeze of that tangy goodness takes it to a whole nother level. These tacos are so easy to make, even on the busiest weeknights. They're perfect for a quick dinner or a fun family meal. Trust me, y'all are going to love them. Next up, we're giving the classic chicken salad sandwich a plant-based makeover. Say hello to the chickpea salad sandwich. This chickpea salad is so creamy, so flavorful, you won't even miss the chicken, I promise. We're talking mashed chickpeas, which are a fantastic source of protein and fiber. Crunchy celery and onion add a delightful texture and a burst of freshness, all mixed up in a creamy, dreamy dressing made with vegan mayo, a touch of Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of lemon juice that'll have you saying, mmm. Spread it on some toasted whole wheat bread for that perfect crunch, add a sprinkle of paprika for a little something, and maybe even a dash of black pepper for a bit of heat. And just like that, you've got yourself a lunchbox hero that's perfect for work or school. It's protein-packed, full of fiber, and oh so satisfying. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra veggies. And the best part is, you can customize it to your liking. Want to add a bit more zing? Throw in some pickles or capers, throw in some chopped grapes for sweetness, which pairs beautifully with the savory elements, or some chopped walnuts for a bit of crunch and added healthy fats. It's your salad, honey. Make it your own. Enjoy every bite of this delicious, nutritious and versatile meal. Now let's get cozy with a big old pot of lentil bolognese. This recipe is pure comfort food, y'all. We're talking hearty lentils simmered in a rich and flavorful tomato sauce, seasoned to perfection with Italian herbs and a touch of love. This bolognese is so good, even the meat lovers in your life will be asking for seconds. Serve it over your favorite pasta, whether it's spaghetti, penne, or even zucchini noodles, and sprinkle on some fresh basil for a pop of freshness. This recipe is perfect for a Sunday family dinner or a cozy night in. It's the kind of meal that warms your heart and soul. You know what I mean? Let's add some colour to our plates with these vibrant stuffed bell peppers. We're talking sweet bell peppers bursting with a delicious filling of quinoa, black beans, corn and all the good stuff. This recipe is a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. The peppers are roasted to perfection, tender and slightly caramelized, while the filling is hearty, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. Serve these beauties with a dollop of vegan sour cream or a sprinkle of fresh herbs for a dish that's as delicious as it is beautiful. It's game day, y'all, but plant-based. We're making crispy, spicy, and totally addictive cauliflower buffalo wings. These babies are baked, not fried, so you can indulge guilt-free. We're talking cauliflower florets tossed in a simple batter, baked until golden brown and crispy, and then coated in a finger-licking good buffalo sauce. Serve them with a side of vegan ranch or blue cheese dressing for dipping and get ready to watch them disappear. These cauliflower wings are the perfect snack or appetizer for any occasion. Whether you're watching the game, hosting a party, or just craving something delicious and satisfying. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and have some fun in the kitchen with these vegan sushi rolls. This recipe is easier than you might think, and it's a great way to get creative with your plant-based eating. We're talking sushi rice seasoned to perfection. Fresh veggies like avocado, cucumber and carrots, and maybe even some tofu or tempeh for a protein boost. Wrap it all up in nori seaweed sheets, slice it up, and get ready to dip. Serve your sushi rolls with soy sauce, wasabi and pickled ginger for a truly authentic experience. It's a fun and interactive meal that's perfect for sharing with friends and family. Baby, it's cold outside. Well, maybe not, but a warm bowl of chili is always a good idea, no matter the weather. This sweet potato and black bean chili is the perfect comfort food. We're talking tender sweet potatoes, hearty black beans, fire-roasted tomatoes, and a medley of spices that will warm you from the inside out. This chili is so flavorful and satisfying, you won't even miss the meat. Serve it with a dollop of vegan sour cream, a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, and a side of cornbread for a truly comforting and delicious meal. Calling all cheese lovers. This vegan mac and cheese is so creamy, so cheesy, you'd never guess it's dairy-free. We're talking about a velvety cashew-based cheese sauce that will blow your mind. It's rich, it's flavorful, and it's the perfect comfort food. Mix that dreamy sauce with your favorite pasta, sprinkle on some breadcrumbs for a little crunch, and bake it to golden perfection. This recipe is perfect for kids and adults alike. It's a classic comfort food with a plant-based twist that everyone will love. Remember those childhood dinners where mac and cheese was the highlight? This plant-based version brings back all those warm, nostalgic memories, but with a modern, healthy twist. Fire up the grill, y'all, because we're making juicy, flavorful grilled portobello mushrooms. These meaty mushrooms are marinated to perfection in a blend of herbs, spices, and a touch of balsamic vinegar. The grill gives them a smoky char, while the marinade infuses them with flavour. Serve these grilled portobellos as a main dish with a side of roasted vegetables or a crisp salad. They're hearty, satisfying, and bursting with flavour. Start your day off right with these fluffy and delicious banana oat pancakes. These pancakes are naturally sweetened with ripe bananas, packed with fibre from oats and bursting with flavour. They're easy to make, totally customizable, and perfect for a lazy Sunday brunch or a quick weekday breakfast. Top your banana oat pancakes with fresh fruit, a drizzle of maple syrup or a dollop of vegan yogurt for a breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious. And there you have it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed these plant-based recipes and found some new favourites to try this May. Remember, eating plant-based doesn't have to be boring, y'all. It's about embracing fresh, flavourful ingredients and creating delicious meals that nourish your body and soul. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen, try new things and have fun with it. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes. See you all next time.